What are we doing? Krabi. Nicholas! Yeah? Yes! Yes, hello cat.
You want to eat Thai mango tea right? Very good, very nice. Lychee blossom, bubble tea.
What's that? 楼下地震了. Why are you so happy? Hmm? Because you're very hungry. So did you order anything to eat? No?
That's why.
But you ordered alcohol. It's my favorite. Yes, please. Thank you. A little bit. Salt crusted fish. What's wrong? What's wrong? What? Oh my god, it's a baby! Hello! Aww. Hello, baby.
Why is the tail wet?
Oh, baby, 你去哪里了?
Why is the tail wet?
Oh, weighing watermelons. It's a whole truck full of watermelons. We have a little bit of an ant situation going on here. Oh my god.
Yeah.
And dessert. It's beautiful. You're thinking it's like this shallow, but it's actually like, I think this is your waist height, right?
I want to be a zookeeper.
What is this?
I got an sci-fi animals. Let me help it. Oh, sorry.
Oh my god.
The flower tails from Island. I think it's still alright.
Okay, don't touch it, don't touch it. I think it's playing dead.
Yeah. It's so cute though.
It's incredible. What do you have there?
Hermit crab.
It's not coming out. 它不要出来。
Right now, this one okay,
This one okay, only you okay.
but mother more okay.
Mother, okay.
Mother a bit crazy.
This is some dim sum. Dessert is the main course with some juice and Nicholas. Good morning. Is this even real?
For the dinner, guys, we're gonna serve you guys with Thai food dinner. You guys like Thai food? Yeah. Spicy?
Yes.
No. Alright, we have Panang. We have like a Panang curry with the chicken for the sleep about people. But for the sunset plankton tour, don't worry. We have free shot for everybody too.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go!
Finally, I'm so tired.
Time to feast.
What's for dinner tonight?
Basil beef rice, very nice. Then big one papaya, and big one mango sticky rice. Eat. Sit down, eat.
This is our balcony and our little. What do you call these? Are these huts? And it's too dark right now, but that is the view. Baby, where are you going?
To the beach. Let's go to the beach.
Thank you. 有没有虫?
I don't know if it's poisonous or not.
有没有虫?
It's alive.
Anyways, this is my favorite part of a coconut. What do you say you want to do?
Spy on.
Spy on people.
I never take out the front.
Are you getting that sun-kissed skin? Oh, you're sweating like mad.
Yeah, it's perfect. We're gonna have some noodles.
Because we're cheap and we're Asian.
Cheap and Asian.
So we brought our own instant noodles.
Then we're gonna go hiking to the viewpoints that overlooks the entire
Phi Phi Island.
We're hiking up to the viewpoint and we have no idea if we're even going the right way. But oh shit, look at that.
The rain's coming down, which side? Okay, let's go there first. Maybe the rain's coming down.
You gotta go, you gotta go. And I guess we just have to wait for rain off because there's nowhere else to go and there's no other way. So welcome to Thailand. You want to drink some Thai milk tea?
Ew! Thai milk tea! Ew!
Very nice, all the Thai milk tea. Let's find our way back to the viewpoint. We're at the viewpoint.
We're finally here.
After getting lost for quite a bit and getting stuck in the rain.
Oh my god, it's really... I think, hey look, it's much easier if you just come from the city. Look how close it is from the city. Look how how far we walk.
That was one monkey.
We're leaving today. We're leaving this beautiful view. Looks like the rain's coming in. It's been raining the whole night last night. And it's still raining this morning.